This one is 3 burners connecting to your main floor and top floor, okay? Another furnace here, 2 burner just for the basement, okay? Let's turn it on. Okay? I hear the click. Inducer is running here. We're waiting for this guy. K1 for the basement here. Inducer is running. Pressure switch will close. Igniter. Okay? Few seconds, your gas bulb will open. Okay? You will hear a flick. Then fire. Reflect that. The last one of sequence of operation is your blower, okay? Make sure everything, that's the tip one for me. And then make sure your blower is running to send warm air to your house, okay? That this is done. Okay, the other furnace, sequence of operation, inducer is running, pressure switch will close. Okay? Igniter will blow. 2 seconds, gas bulb will open. Reset the plate. Okay? Same sequence of operation. Okay? Just a smaller furnace, bigger one. Both GOODMAN brand. Okay? Yeah. Both high-efficient furnace. And yeah, nothing special. Make sure you change your filter.